Rust on metal fences can totally ruin your curb appeal and waste your money, so if you want to keep your fence looking fresh and avoid dropping a few $100 on repairs, you gotta handle rust before it gets out of control. So, first up, grab a wire brush and just go at the rusty spots. Don't be shy, you really want to scrub off as much loose rust as possible, you know? If you see some stubborn patches, you can hit them with some sandpaper for that extra smooth finish. Once you've got most of the rust off, you want to clean the whole area with soap and water, then let it dry all the way through. Seriously, don't rush it or the next steps won't stick. Next thing, pick up a rust converter, which is like this magic potion that changes any leftover rust into a paintable surface, and slap it on according to the instructions. Let that stuff cure for at least 24 hours, because patience here saves you a lot of hassle down the road. After it's all set, grab a good rust-resistant primer and cover every bare spot you see so your paint sticks better and lasts longer. Now you're ready for the main act. Just roll or brush on some high-quality rust-resistant paint and make sure you get into all the little corners and crevices. When you're done, just let it fully dry before touching anything or putting stuff near your fence. One of the biggest mistakes with metal fence rust removal is forgetting to remove all the loose rust before painting. If you skip this step, your paint job will peel right off and your fence will look even worse in a couple months. Another common problem is rushing through the drying process. If your fence isn't bone dry, after cleaning or between coats of paint, moisture gets trapped and causes more rust later, so always give it plenty of time to dry out. The third issue lots of folks run into is using regular paint instead of rust-resistant paint or primer. Regular stuff just won't keep moisture out, so invest in products specifically made for metal and rust protection to save yourself cash and headaches. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners connect with local contractors who actually know what they're doing, making it easier to get your fence fixed up right without stress. If you're a contractor looking for steady work in your area, BigHomeProjects.com helps you get your name out there and find real clients who need help with jobs like rust removal or fence painting.